Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nick Stoulis. Today, you guys are going to be watching me behind the scenes close a client for one of my mentorship students. Go for my guy from North Macedonia. So on this call, basically, my mentorship student was like, yo, can you please call this guy for me? And I was like, I got you. So I ended up having like a 25-minute conversation with him. And what I did was I edited the about 4 minutes of the most interesting parts, and that's what you guys are going to watch today. If you want to download the entire video and watch the whole thing and study how I talk to business owners, all you got to do is click the link down below and join my free Telegram group. You can ask me questions, and it's a place where me and you could get to know each other and see if we could potentially do some business together. Yeah, dude, me and you have to have a conversation. I'm about to sign you up as a mentorship student as well as a client.
Yeah, man. No, I'm interested. If you can help me out but then again, me and you are slightly competitors. I would imagine.
No, sir.
No, you don't want to tell me.
No, sir. We'd be I'd be your white label company, meaning like you'd be under the Balanced Media umbrella. I'm technically competitors with the guy I'm making the call for right now, but I have 30% of his agency because he needs to outsource the work anyway. The same way you need to outsource the Facebook work anyway, or you could do it yourself, spend all day trying to figure out how to do it, and then have to pay the money to the government, or pay me to do it, and then lower the money you'd spend on taxes, and you have a higher percent chance of it working because I've been doing this for 7 years and you haven't even tried Facebook and Instagram yet.
Exactly. Hey, man, I truthfully am interested. I'm very interested.
Excellent. So
yeah, you're going to have to steer the ship on that one. You're going to have to invite me to whatever you want to invite me to.
Well, it would be easy, bro, to get you to sign you up. So what do you want to do first? Do you want me to do the Facebook and Instagram for your auto detailing first? And then maybe have you, yeah, and then I'll sign you up for a Zoom call for the mentorship coaching, because I essentially would work for you until you paid off your mentorship fee. And I'd basically, the same thing I'm doing for my guys from North Macedonia currently, I would do that for you. And I would just explain to you how that process would work. Like I would amplify your digital marketing agency to because that would basically, I want like 30% of it or 25% or whatever we can negotiate, you know, and then I can handle all the work for you, and then you could focus on scaling it more.
Of course. Yeah, that sounds fair, man. And have you heard of ClickSpeak or whatever their name is? ClickSpeak?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, they're huge on YouTube anyways right now. I don't know on my YouTube, but yeah, I was looking for a white label company a couple months ago, and I found ClickSpeak, but they're expensive as hell. But yeah, so I need a good guy.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you right now, I am not expensive, and it's not because I'm not high quality. It's because I'm looking to I'm looking to over deliver at first to create more leverage to charge you more money later.
Yeah, man, I'm on board with that. I like that mindset, and I'm down with working with you.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. And then, dude, like I'm telling you, my YouTube channel is gonna surpass my agency in revenue very, very soon. Like helping other people is making me way more money than just doing stuff for myself. So I'm a very selfless person because selfishly it makes me more money.
Right, man. That's business, bro. You're doing the right thing.
Exactly, bro. It has to be a win-win for everybody. So that's kind of how I operate.
Yeah.
So to get you started for your auto detailing, what I'm going to do, this is my cell phone. So I would love for you to send me over a text with your email. I'll send you over a contract for a 1-month thing where I'll run your Facebook and Instagram ads. You say you're spending $2,000 already. What are you willing to spend on Facebook and Instagram? I recommend minimum like $1,500, $2,000, like additional. Do you have that to spend?
If it's going to bring results.
All right. So the first month we'll do $2,000.
Yeah, that's great, man. Honestly, that's great. That's something I don't do. And I don't even know how to set that shit up in high level either. I really don't know how to use that high level platform.
Well, that's why, we'll be an excellent fit to work together. Cause this is what I do all day, every day. You're running an auto detailing shop. I don't expect you to be on the same level as me with the digital marketing, just because of you spend 100% of your day doing 50% auto detailing. I don't know how much you put into the marketing, but I am all in on the marketing. So it's just time under tension.
I trust you, bro.
Yeah.
I
So
don't even know you.
yeah.
So we'll see how it goes.
So, all right, excellent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you over the contract. All I need is your card on file and I can get you started literally up and running with less than a week.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So
We got that.
I might have just gotten us a new client and a mentorship student in one call.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, and yeah, plus you can get a referral from him. I think he knows some business.
All right, guys, I hope you got some value from this video, and I hope I earned your subscription. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting snippets of, me running my mentorship school, and, hopefully you guys can get some value from these short clips. Basically, what I do is I charge you a one-time fee of $1,000. And then with that $1,000, you're essentially getting my mentorship coaching. So I'm teaching you everything I know, but you're also hiring me to work for your company. So basically, I will take any meeting that you have, and then you can use my company to outsource all of the work. So if you think that I could potentially be a good help to you, click the link down below. Whether that be signing up for the free Telegram group, you can watch that entire video, not just the short 4 minutes that you just watched, or sign up for a free consultation with me, and we could see if the mentorship would be something that you'd be interested in. If you know how to book meetings, I could definitely help you. I'll close clients for you. Peace out. Or click this link. Click this video or this video. This video. You'll like it. I hope. You know what I mean? Have a good one.